Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we're going to make this adorable charcuterie board using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post new videos every week. Now let's get on with today's craft. So for this project, I'm taking this heart, I guess it's a wall decor for Valentine's Day from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was super cute and it could be used for a very inexpensive charcuterie board. So what I'm going to do is, obviously I'm opening it up and I'm going to remove the string, and I'm also going to rip off the flowers. They're foam flowers with a little faux greenery, and I just really don't like it. The XOXO part that's also attached to the heart, that I'm going to leave on because I do like that. I think that's kind of cute. But all of the flowers and that greenery is coming off. So let's continue with getting this ready to turn it into a charcuterie board. So now that I removed all the flowers, I do have a little, I guess, piece that ripped off the paint. So I'm going to take this cute little felt heart that I already had. I did buy these at the Dollar Tree, but last year. I haven't seen them this year. But I had these, so in order to camouflage that little damage there and to add a little something in that corner, I'm going to take this felt heart and just attach it with a little bit of hot glue. This way it gives a little pop in the corner. Let's continue. So the next step is to attach legs to our board. I wanted this board to have some height. So I'm going to use those little snowman wooden figures that I got during Christmas. I used them in my previous video that I created, the heart tray. I'm going to do the same thing here and attach them with hot glue. So let's get to this part. So the next step in this project, I'm going to take this heart iridescent ribbon. I also got it at the Dollar Tree. That I got this year. So you can probably still find them at the Dollar Tree stores. I'm going to use it to wrap the edges of the tray. This way it will give it a sort of a cake stand type of look. And I think it adds a cute little pop to the tray instead of just being flat and a little boring right now. So let's continue with attaching the ribbon with hot glue. So I wiped down the tray with some soapy water, and now I'm just drying it off to remove any glue residue or anything that the tray might have had, even though the tray was covered in plastic. And now it's time to make it pretty with all of the Valentine's Day treats. So let's go to that part. So now this charcuterie board is ready to display. It is a cute and fun way for Valentine's and super inexpensive. I really love the way that it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.